10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. History Unit 9 Post Independent India. After the independence, there was a need to relook into the commerce, industry and trade. Why? Because the colonial power that had abused the resources of India for more than 2 centuries. Where was Gandhiji when India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi? When India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in Naukali. When India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in Naukali. Why? Meeting the victims, consoling them. What made Nehru to think about forming a secular nation? The evil violence that emerged during the communal violence. The refugees from Bangladesh attempted to settle in Bengal more. Why? Since most of the refugees from Bangladesh knew Bengali, they attempted to settle in Bengal more. There was a huge stress on West Bengal when India got its independence. Why? Since most of the refugees from Bangladesh knew Bengali, they attempted to settle in Bengal more. There was the Tibetan refugees. Where was the Tibetan refugees given shelter? Bailukuppe. Which has grown as one of the major Tibetan settlements in India. Bailukuppe. Who became the first Governor General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Who became the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Indian Constitution adopted? On January 26, 1950. Who became the first President of India? Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. What is the importance of 42nd Amendment to the Constitution? Words secular and socialist were added in the year 1976. According to which amendment words secular and socialist were added to the Constitution? 42nd Amendment. How many princely states were there in India when British left India? 562. What were the three options kept open for the princely states by British? Joining India, joining Pakistan, remaining independent. During the integration of Indian princely states, strong opposition came from which three princely states? Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Hyderabad. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. Why? He was successful in integrating the princely states to Indian Federation. Which princely state was ruled by Nizam? Hyderabad. Why did Nizam of Hyderabad refuse to join the independent India? Because he wanted to remain independent. Who are Razakars? The cruel armies of Nizam are called Razakars. The citizens of Junagadh revolted against the Nawab. Why? The Nawab had signed the agreement to join the state of Pakistan, so his citizens revolted against him. When did Junagadh join Indian Federation? 1949. Who was the king of Jammu and Kashmir when India got its independence? Hari Singh. Pakistan instigated the tribal Muslims to invade Kashmir. Why? Fearing that Kashmir may join the Indian Federation, Pakistan instigated the tribal Muslims to invade Kashmir. What is Pakistan occupied Kashmir? The northeast part of Kashmir that was occupied by Pakistan is called Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The accession of which princely state is different from all the other accessions? Jammu and Kashmir. What colonies did the French held after independence? Pondicherry, Karaikal, Mahe and Chandranagar. When did Pondicherry become Union Territory of India? 1963. The Indian military entered Goa and took over its administration. Why? Though they were ordered to vacate Goa, Portuguese brought more army from Africa and Europe and tried to consolidate their power over Goa. That's why the Indian military entered Goa and took over its administration. When did Goa become a state? 1987. Who died after 58 days of hunger strike demanding for Vishalandra? Potti Sriramalu. Which was the first language-based state in India? Andhra Pradesh. Who was the president of Reorganization of State Commission? Mr. Fazl Ali. Who were the members of Reorganization of State Commission? K. M. Panikkar and H. N. Kunjru. How many states and union territories were formed according to Reorganization of State Commission? 14 states and 6 union territories. Why was Akhila Karnataka Rajya Nirmana Parishad formed? For the integration of Kannada speaking places. When did Vishala Mysuru state come into existence? 1956. When was Vishala Mysuru state renamed as Karnataka? 1973.